Alright, this is going to be the last part with anything to do with the drawing buildings. So, I'm going to come in. See, this would have ended somewhere around here. That means our next building would have been here. I want it to be a longer building, so there. And if it's starting around here. Oops, sorry, you can't see. Starting around here. That means that the end of the building. Okay. We're going to assume best intentions by figuring out this building. There we go. There. This is why we assume best intentions, because even I get it wrong. So, okay. So, yeah. Alright. And the way I'm doing these buildings, I might not even need to draw anything over here because it's not really going to be seen. So that means that so let's pretend that I drew this off the that means somewhere around there. So this is a lot of me just figuring out what I want it to kind of look like. So yeah, we pretty much lose all that road, and that's okay. We can still see that there's a road there. That's the important part right now. I'm going to come in and actually start my last building here. I'm going to try to do this so y'all can see it. Okay, so that is what my overall city is looking like right now. All right, so the next video is going to start highlighting on how to do different types of windows and maybe some details for, yeah, we'll do with windows next time, and then with video after we'll work on details for the tops. All right, that is it. Bye.